Good afternoon, this is Ravi from Money Let's Go. We're taking a look at the ES futures contracts. And yesterday we saw a larger range bound session uh, spanning 57 handles. Yesterday I made had a bit of a tragic day yesterday. I went long at 44.17. It was a bit of a silly high risk trade, thinking it was going to break out after this period of range bound activity over the last 5 trading days. I noticed that price within the open outcry touched the overnight highs, and I thought it was just going to break higher. Uh, Obviously, with the higher amount of volume in the open outcry being considerably higher than the overnight inventory. So I opened up at 44.17 and I got taken out, and it was a tragic day. I was moving my stop loss and everything. So a really bad day for me, one to reflect on. Um, but moving on, we have to swallow our mistakes, and we have to learn from them, and that's how we all become better traders. So today we're looking at the current price action. So the overnight inventory continued sort of in a downward trajectory, not as downward as the previous day, where the previous day created a P profile and subsequently had overnight inventory dropping right down, testing the virgin point of control, previous virgin point of control, where we opened the next day and the buyers came in and squeezed all those shorts out. After we tested 44.22, we did take a reverse. The market dropped again and it settled around the point of control. And the overnight inventory saw price drop, retraced, and it saw a further drop in price action. What am I expecting today? Really difficult to say. I'm looking for perhaps further range bound activity until I get some indication that there's a long-term buyer stepping in, which will push the market out of this range. Not quite sure what I can take from the market right now other than range bound activity. We've got, I like to draw my supply and demand zones and on my 15-minute charts on the candles, and I've got a little demand zone here, and if it breaks that, we could see a further test of this value area low, virgin point of control. But what we can also observe is that this range will be tested, and it could further break lower if this point here, 43.50s, are broken. I personally think that business is concluded around here, and I'm looking for a price to continue on the upside after testing these levels. If we look at the weekly profiles, we see a big consolidation between 44.12 and 43.80. We've had, so business has been conducted over the last 3 weeks around same level, and it's consolidated, and now we're starting to push higher. We see this is Wednesday today, and we see price consolidating within previous week's range, and I'm actually looking, really looking to see this market push higher and test the 4500s. We've got a lot of business to conduct up here, and I would love to see some indication of price being pushed to the upside. Okay, I'll stop the video there, and I'll probably reopen at around the market open. Thanks for watching.